Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unknown Host. For more updates, subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get notifications when we upload new videos. Nowadays, rape cases reported every day in our country. Such a crime rate is a result of the slow punishment response amongst various other things. Recently, a 6-year-old girl critical after brutal rape, mutilation of private parts. The kidnapper brutally raped the minor girl, mutilated her private parts, dumped her in a field near the village and escaped from the spot. She is battling for her life after she was kidnapped from outside her house in Uttar Pradesh, Apur, brutally raped and then left to die in a field. A minor girl who was allegedly raped has ended her life. The incident, which occurred at Bogur village in Karnataka state, Dharwad Taluk, on July 30th, has come to light late. Not only these two girls. When we are started to do research on this incident, we got a news that every single day rape cases are reported in our country, and this slightly increasing day by day. Why this will happen and why this kind of news are not telecasted in televisions? Because nobody will think about others' life. Everyone think about their life only. Finally, that girl and her family only suffer. And after this kind of rape incidents, every time our leaders are visited to raped girl home and donate some amount for them and nicely told to them like, we are trying to give justice for your daughter. Is that money brings her back? Is that money rebuild her life as previous? And what kind of justice these peoples are going to give for her dead life? Is that rape cases increases based on dressing sense, age, or it's based on girls who are roaming outside? No. If it will happens based on these points, then why 9 months baby girl got raped? Then why traditional girls are also got raped? Then why the girls who didn't came out or also got raped by neighbors or by relatives? It clearly shows it's truly based on the bloody, dirty-minded peoples. So I request you to parents, instead of locking her inside home, teach to her how to defend herself. Instead of ruling your girl, teach to her how to protect her by these dirty-minded people. That will only protect your girl life as well as family. And mothers who have baby girl, teach to her in early age which is bad touch and which is good touch, and how to defend for herself. And mothers who have baby boy, teach to him that how to give respect for girls. Some girls are taking this as an advantage by reporting false rape cases against boys for personal reasons. Girls who reported false cases, please stop this nonsense. Even boys are also have their own life value and respect. Our one-time mistakes can turn others' life into worst situation. Don't do that. Everyone have own life. If you can, respect it. Otherwise, respect your own life and go with the flow of your own life. If you peoples are also having the same thought, then comment below and support us. Thank you for watching. We will get back to you soon with another interesting video. Stay tuned to Unknown Host.